You all can videos off. So good evening, friends. Kirti Bakshi here. Time for us to begin. Can I request you all to put your videos off? Dimpy, your video is still on. उमर आपका भी वीडियो चालू है. Wonderful. So here we are. So this is Kirti Bakshi here, friends. A very brief introduction about myself. I am a psychotherapist and I have been into the mental health industry for the last 25 years. And so how I came upon the training industry in mental health was through so many years of experience that I learned that many people who want to get into this industry of mental health don't really know where to begin, because either they need a MA psychology or they need some background. But right now, this industry is kind of accepting anybody who is ready to offer them a hand, just a hand. People are looking for somebody to lead their way, to illuminate their path. So I'll have to mute everyone because there's a lot of noise coming from somewhere. Okay. So what I understood is when I started 25 years back, we were very raw and the industry was very raw as well. So people were not coming forth for counseling. And when they did, that time our challenges were that we were given a lot of theoretical information and we did not have anything to know to known as practical information. How do you make your sessions flow? How do you open your session? How you develop your session? How you close your session? And that I learned through my experience. And I realized that mere university education is not enough. What you really require is mentoring. You require techniques. Above all, everything in this journey is technique dependent. You require a lot of techniques to go by, because you may be able to do one technique with one client and realize that the same thing does not work for another client. Or for personal transformation, NLP is a great program. Why do I call NLP simply a great personal transformation tool? Because it enables you to work on your own. It enables you to have so many techniques for self work that at the end of it, whenever you are going through a mental conflict or you're not going through a mental conflict, but you want to take your life to the next level of excellence, NLP is perfect for that. So, whether you want to help people or you want to help yourself, NLP is great for that. To take you through the history of neurolinguistic programming, that will make it very clear to you. So why, when did neuro linguistic programming start? It's basically a 40 years old in the industry now, in the mental wellness segment. And it was started by two guys called Richard Bandler and John Grinder. So Richard Bandler and John Grinder were following Milton Erickson, who was a hypnotist at that time and who had a way with language. And he would generally hypnotize people just talking in conversations and in conversations, and they wanted to find out what made people succeed. So John Grinder was a linguist and Richard Bandler was a lot into research. So they both got together and they collaborated in a workshop where they met. They wanted to know how people succeed. What is it? No, there's no slide, Sunil. What do people do to succeed? So, what is it that makes people succeed? What are the ways that people adopt? How do the successful people think? What is the language that they use? What is the language of their mind? What do they tell themselves when they face conflicts and obstacles? And they set on a huge research. And they found out that the mental language of the successful people is very different from the mental language of those who are struggling or going through conflicts. So they picked up models and they converted them into therapies or techniques. Those techniques, before anybody realized, became so effective and so popular that they started receiving a lot and lot of recommendations from the psychiatrists who by then did not have a way out of critical cases which were into therapy for the longest time, or a cognitive behavior therapy, or were other techniques, the dialectic technique was being used for them. And then they soon started attracting business guys, those business guys who wanted to really make it big, and they became their clients. So Richard Bandler and John Grinder kept on researching on the successful people, kept on developing the model, and took the model to the next level. And they developed something called as NLP patterns. These patterns are techniques, and these techniques, when used, are instantly transforming. So, they would take, like, there is a technique called the rapid anxiety release. Let's say you're going through anxiety right now, and you know that technique, you can work with yourself. There's a technique on goal setting, there's a technique on time frame, there's a technique on 6-step reframing, there's a technique on fast phobia cure, there's a technique on habit changing, there's a technique for overcoming cravings. So, NLP patterns or techniques are the ones that once you learn, you keep on empowering yourself also. But if you want to use it in the in the professional capacity, you can call yourself an NLP master coach and start working with people. There will be nothing that you will not be able to work with. So I'm not saying that this is the only program that will make you a coach. Of course, peripheral knowledge will be required. But once you put your first foot in and you step in, over healthy, useful, result oriented techniques, then you may want to add on to a basic knowledge of working psychology. You may want to add on to a metaphor to a hypnotherapy, or to any other small courses which will support your journey. So, for those who want it for personal use, it's hugely transforming. And those who want it for professional use and stepping into the coaching industry, it's very, very right time. So I always have two kinds of students. Those who continue to learn. I have been into the training industry now for 20 years. And I have my own clinic in Mumbai, and I do 3 to 4 clients a day, and I train over the weekend. So I've come across two different types of clients. The very self-motivated ones, who once you give them a technique and they know how to market themselves. And the second type are, they know a lot. They know the techniques, but they don't know the marketing strategies. For that, on the last day of the workshop, I will call in marketing people who will join our forum and will let you all know the modern trends of marketing. I didn't know them too, until a couple of years ago. I didn't know them. I was going a very conventional marketing way, spending 10 times more money on marketing and branding. And then I actually took services from these online marketing experts, and they really, really helped me. They're two young entrepreneurs, and I realized that in this field, the younger they are, the better and bubbling with ideas they are. And I just left it to them, and they really made me grow. So growing in this industry is not difficult if you have the right marketing strategy, and it doesn't cost you a fortune. So I think this course is going to be comprehensive enough, in which we will be working on 2 Saturdays, 2 Sundays, and 6 classes after that. We'll be covering a total of 50 hours of training. And even after that, if you have doubts, we will be having refresher meets. So, and the certificates will be given to those who have mastered the techniques. We will be having a small assessment to make sure that you know all your techniques well, and that you know the steps and the procedures to all the techniques well. Besides that, during the workshop, you are going to practice each and every technique that is taught to you, because I strongly believe there are only two ways to learn: either go through the process or take someone through the process. That's the only two way of learning, because then you are kinesthetically integrating whatever you have learned. There is theory, but the theory is going to be only 30%. It's going to be very practical oriented. All course notes will be given to you. At the end, if you all have any doubts, we will make sure we arrange practice groups for you all. For 6 weeks, I will be leading those groups. And then you will be learning more and more from there. And after that, if you still need help, you will be able to join in the other pool of students that I have. I also train in metaphor therapy, so put together in metaphor therapy, and I started my career actually with hypnotherapy training. So put together in hypnotherapy, metaphor therapy, NLP, child psychology, and play therapy, I have a database of 8,000 students. So out of that, every time we arrange a practice group, 10, 12 people, 15 people, whoever wants to polish their skills joins in and continues learning. And that's free of cost, of course. And there will be one person who will be appointed as a mentor. And if there is something that's not working, you all can always come back to me. Can we assist you? Anjali is asking. Can we assist you in dealing with clients as an internship? So Anjali, NLP per se does not require internship, but what happens is client is all the work nowadays is Zoom. It's online. So physical clinic also, if I go, I'm still working on Zoom in my clinic. So as of now, not possible, but when we do open up, I do allow people to come in and sit during the sessions. But I don't think that's really going to be required because I'm so confident of what I teach and the way people integrate it that you're not going to need to watch another client because you are going to be at least doing 14 to 15 therapies during the course itself. And then we'll give you a week's break and come back the next Saturday, Sunday. And during that week, we expect you to practice it on your family, on your friends, on everybody around you. So till it does not become a part of you, you don't learn. So wherever you get stuck, I am always there as a mentor to hang around. So now what are we going to do in the NLP workshop? One of the biggest NLP is based on certain presuppositions. One of the biggest presuppositions of NLP is that the map is not the territory. What do we mean by that? By that, we mean that we have mental frameworks in our own mind. We have made maps in our own mind of this is what life is, this is who I am, this is how it's supposed to go. These are my limitations, and we live within those maps. But if you were to actually compare the map of a city to the actual city, you would realize that the map has very little to offer, and the actual city is so much more bigger. There are so many more facets, dimensions to it that a map cannot fit it. Similarly, when we have made limitations for ourselves, when we have put roadblocks or we have made a design in our head, that is not life. The map is not the territory. So you may be having self limiting behavior. You may be having a very small map, and that is not actually the bigger picture of life. So the map is not the territory. It's time we get out of our maps and we explore the field. The second presupposition on which the pillar on which the NLP patterns are based is that every human being has all the resources within themselves to change their life, which is a very, very empowering statement. It's like imagine somebody telling you that you can change your life, and NLP makes that possible because that is the presupposition, that is the basic pillar of NLP. It makes it possible for you to master your life and to change your life due to the patterns and techniques. So there are lots of subconscious and conscious techniques that are going to be taught to you. And if you don't experience a transformation, I'll be surprised. Because everyone who's joined the course has gone back home, whether it is an NLP or a metaphor therapy or a hypnotherapy. All the programs that I teach, people transform, their life slowly goes through a change. Because these are very, very empowering techniques. I have been through most of the courses in the country and international, and that's how I picked up the techniques which have been most effective, which are most result oriented, and which are most beneficial to people. So these techniques that I teach or these courses that I teach are very, very result oriented. So this is what we are going to do in NLP. So we'll be teaching you around 12 to 13 patterns. We'll be making you practice each one of them on yourself, on others, and we'll be taking you through each and every step of that. We'll be sharing the course notes with you, and we'll make you go through the course notes. And there will be extended exercises given to you to do at home also, which will be just 5 to 10 minutes a day, but it will just help you to ground into the modality very well. So this is what this course is going to be about. If any of you all have any questions, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask the question.
Ma'am, NLP or metaphor is the same?
Metaphor and NLP, metaphor is the, let us say, the very broad field. NLP is based on metaphors. Okay, so NLP makes use of metaphors. If you know your metaphor, you know your NLP. But NLP and metaphor use almost similar techniques, but metaphor is more incisive. It can go more in detailed incidents and happenings of your life. NLP focuses itself on the impact of those incidents and aims to change that impact through the use of guided imagery, visuals, and the patterns that they use. But they go hand in hand. Have I answered that?
Okay, ma'am.
Thanks, Mrs. Sunil. Anybody else who has a question?
Yes, ma'am. I have not done the metaphor therapy, so is it okay
No,
if I?
it's okay. You can do any in any order.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
So it will not be like I don't know the basis of metaphor and still
No,
I'm doing.
no, no. NLP by itself is very, very comprehensive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else with a question? Shanti has just joined us. Shanti, hi. Are you here? Okay. So friends, anyone with a question, please do let me know. You can Google out, not necessarily one needs to be a psychologist. No, Anjali, to become a coach, you don't need to be a psychologist. Hi, Shanti. To become a coach, you don't need to be a psychologist. Coaches are the people who have had a desire to work into the field of mental health, but probably did not do psychology or masters, but now they want to work in this field. So coaching industry is giving you that opportunity. So you don't have to be a psychologist. Any other questions, friends? Feel free, let's have a conversation, let's talk, because that's what's going to open doors for us.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, Dimple.
The notes that you spoke about, may I know how are we going to receive them? Will it be in a PDF form or
yes,
how
PDF.
would it be? Okay, and then we'll have to take out the prints and study from them?
Not really. They are very comprehensive and we'll be reading every word during the workshop. So you can keep it on your laptop. You don't have to.
All right. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome. Hi, Naomi, Shanti, you all just entered. So friends, once again, to reiterate, NLP is neuro-linguistic programming. It's understanding the programming of the brain. It is based on the model of successful people. It is based, the basic purpose of NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, is to make everyone optimize their potential and become successful in life. And it is taught through patterns, and we are going to teach you all those patterns. NLP has more than 3,000 patterns, which can be very, very confusing since it has evolved into a KNLP, ENLP, ANLP, and all those things. What I'm going to teach you is the core, the basis, and then you will be able to understand all books, all techniques, all demos, everything. So I'm going to take you to a very core level, beautiful course, which is very comprehensive, with which you will be able to empower yourself and you'll be able to help people, coach people, or personally transform yourself. So if you all have any more questions, we are good to go. The pricing, you all know what the price is. It's been put on the group time and again.
Ma'am, what will be the dates, the exact dates?
I'll share the details with you of the dates and everything.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, since you said there are like around 3,000 patterns in NLP, so just wanted to know how many patterns will you be teaching us?
We are going to be teaching you out of the core, we are going to teach you all the core 12 patterns.
12
Rest is
patterns.
12 patterns. Rest is all variation. It's like,
Okay.
people, in order to rebrand themselves or
Okay.
because of copyright, they will change one thing here and there and call
Okay.
it ANLP or a KNLP or a CNLP or whatever, So,
Alright.
but I will teach you the basic core 12 patterns, which is the basis of all the other patterns.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Thanks, Dimpy. All right. So
Thank
this is the details of the date and everything. It's right here.
Kriti, I have one question,
Yeah,
if I
right.
may.
Yeah.
Is it worth it? Like doing metaphor, I have done already, no?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
is
it
it
will be NLP will be a great addition to Meta.
worth doing NLP?
Yes, yes, it's a
You
great
said it
addition.
is just
It takes metaphor to the next level also. So very much progressive in that direction. Yeah. Okay, so Gia, you were asking for the dates. Please take a screenshot of this slide. These are the course details. Practitioner level is next Saturday, Sunday. Master level is on 18th and 19th December. Then we have a follow-up for 6 weeks. Right now, I'm proposing Wednesday, but we'll go with the group preferences, how the group preferences are. The fees in NLP at this point from good trainers or experienced trainers is for master and basic level is 50,000 and above. You can check it across different trainers and different platforms. Please ask for their fees of base practitioner and master level both. We have done this in offline at 35,000. But because of lockdown, we brought now online prices since our hotel cost got cut. We offered it at 22,000. And then we came to a lockdown offer for 20,000 for both levels. Right now, we have only this last December deal, which is there. It's 19,000 payable in installments. And for the next 2 days, it is 18,000 for both levels and it can be paid in installments. You have to just right now book only by paying 2,000 and the rest you can decide what frequency you'd like to pay and what installments you'd like to take. And I would want you all to avail this offer, not because I'm offering it or I'm someone very great, but I do know the market. I'm in the market and I do know the industry. And I can tell you that 50 hours training program at this rate in NLP with all the practicals and integrations is not going to be possible for you all to find. So do your researches if you all want to. And it would be great having most of you all at the course. And if you all have any doubts regarding your life will transform or no, or your client life will transform or no, I'm right here. I'm very approachable. You all can always come back to me and say, all right, I did this and this didn't work. And then we will tell you how to take it forward. So a continued mentoring and a continued support will be made available to you. So
will this be
Duolingo-
recognized globally everywhere?
if you want it to be recognized globally everywhere, there's an exam you have to give for ANLP, that is American Association of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, which costs a lot. So only if you're traveling abroad, you really require to spend that money. If you're going to practice in India, then a basic practitioner and master level is very good to call yourself a coach. But if you want to travel abroad, you have to write their exam.
Okay, and how do we get the clients after this?
That's exactly what I was saying. That most of us have an ambition to become a mental health professional or a coach, but we don't know how to go about it. So on the last day of the workshop, I'll share my journey of how I went about it. And I will share with you all online strategies, which I will not share, my team will share with you all online strategies that I have used in order to establish myself into this industry. It's not difficult nowadays. Online has made it so much more easier for you to develop a clientele and audience for yourself. We will tell you in detail. In fact, some of my old students who have also established themselves very well will also tell you. So I will invite all of them to join us and then they will share their experiences in marketing. Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Any other questions for those who are entered now? Right, friends? So do take a screenshot of this and we will hope to see most of you there. And do make it a point to, our team will get in touch with you and follow up will happen, and do let us know. And this recording will also go on the group. So if you want to hear it again, you can hear it again. But trust me, it will be the best decision that you take in case you are looking at personal transformation or setting yourself up as a coach. And with that, I end my seminar. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here, and hope to see you all across.
Bye, Kirti.
Bye, friends. Good night.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Good
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Bye. See you all.
Bye, ma'am.